Hey guys, welcome to our channel Hot by Hitika, and today I will tell you about 10 national designers that are Indian designers like Ritu Kumar, Tarun Tahilani, Masaba Gupta, Abujani Sandeep Khosla and many more. So do subscribe our channel and watch the video till the end. The first one is Ritu Bari. Her styling is her USP. Her style is intrinsically feminine, romantic with a flamboyant twist. It is about enhancing a woman's individuality and persona. She has 19.8k followers on Instagram. The second one is Ritu Kumar. Her USP is Ari and Zardozi work. She implanted this embroidery heavily in some suits and sarees. In deep, rich colors like dark fuchsia, maroon, and orange, this gold Zardozi work makes for a heavy ensemble. She established blend of traditional Indian designs with the lines of international fashion which targets the young global Indian woman with a modern lifestyle. Her followers on Instagrams are 242.7k. Manish Malhotra is one of the Bollywood's most famous costume designers, couturier designer, costume stylist, entrepreneur, social media influencer, and revivalist. When it comes to reinventing the word of style, elegance, and trend, it only springs one name to our mind, and that is one of the renowned and sensational fashion designer who has created magic by his mesmerizing collections, and he is Manish Malhotra. Her followers on Instagrams are 6.2 million. Sabyasachi Mukherjee. Sabyasachi embroidery and embellished with hand-placed sequins. He is a Kolkata-based Indian fashion designer and couturier who enjoys a cult following, especially among brides-to-be. He is one of the associate designer members of Fashion Design Council of India and the youngest board member of the National Museum of Indian Cinema. He has 4.5 million followers on Instagram. Tarun Tahilani. Very fine examples of his creations are the Tarun Tahilani designer suits, especially Tarun Tahilani Kalidar dresses, also known as Anarkali suits. These dresses are the most favorite pick of the Indian women, especially celebrities and Bollywood actresses, for special occasions. The USP of brand Tarun Tahilani is brilliant drapes, subtle detailing, along with ethnic embroideries like Ari, Zardozi, and chicken work, including crystal work. Apart from that, fagoting, smoking, and other techniques are also used besides surface ornamentation through printing and texturing. He has 1 million followers on Instagram. Abu Jani and Sandeep Khosla. Abu Jani Sandeep Khosla specialize in trendy yet modern outfits and traditional dresses including lightweight lehengas, engagement and cocktail outfits, bridal lehengas and all kinds of wedding dresses. They create a comprehensive range for women who want clothing which is both current and timeless. Classic elegance is their signature style. They have 832k followers on Instagram. Manish Arora, he experiments with a variety of textures and Indian fabrics and merged them with Western sensibilities to produce fashion lines that show an enigmatic fusion of tradition and modernity. He always comes out with new futuristic designs for his various collections that he showcases at the Indian Fashion Week. He has 196k followers on Insta. Rohit Bal. His collection always has a unique touch of Indian craftsmanship, and ace fashion designer Rohit Bal says involving the local craft in his design is his biggest strength. He has 399k followers on Instagram. Masaba Gupta. From designing for a popular ethnic label to creating packages for shark gels and now gearing up for an online stint, young fashion designer Masaba Gupta has come a long way, and she feels her quirkiness has kept her going. Masaba said, I am known for my quirkiness, so it is always there in whatever I do, be ethnic wear or shower gels. It is constant in all my collections. She has 1.2 million followers. Gaurav Gupta. In his 16-year design journey, couturier Gaurav Gupta has made a name to look out for. What separates the designer from rest of his contemporaries is his unique instinct and the out-of-box aesthetic. Sculpture cuts, 3D embroidery, and volume play ensure the couturier's creations go beyond the ordinary. The Central Saint Martin's graduate has given us the Neo Saudi, a look that has been everywhere from the red carpet to Sangeet parties. He has 434k followers on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.